So now we're still building on using the folding points for the body and breaking structure. But we're gonna make it a little more dynamic, as if the person grabs me from behind in a choke. And I want to show how to break structure using the folding points. So my partner grabs me, he's here, and I first want to feel what is available to me. An elbow. My body is built, my shoulder is pushed into his chest, so if I go to turn into his body, I'm not going to be able to move. So this is a 3-part movement. I have to free my shoulder while keeping a hold of his folding point, which is going to be his elbow. So if my shoulder frees, and I still have his elbow. You see, I still have that same shape from the previous video. And then from here, I have closest weapon, closest target. The knees. My legs, his knees. Poop, his body, and he goes.